This is Shankara Discovery Kit for dry skin. It has everything you need to take care of your skin if it feels dry everywhere equally. If for some reason you feel like your T-zone is more normal or you have a little bit of redness or sensitivity on the cheeks, then check out the other Discovery Kit for normal skin. So let's see what's inside. The first product is the Hydrating Cleanser. Now this one contains chamomile, calendula, lavender, chamay rose. It's so silky and it's gentle enough to remove even eye makeup. Then you have the microcrystal exfoliator. This is unlike most scrubs. It's in a base of 5 different sea algae and some aloe vera, some sandalwood, some turmeric. It smells wonderful and it feels incredible. So I don't know if you can see it. So you will apply to wet skin, scrub gently with your fingertips and rinse off. So these will be the two products to prepare your skin for the finishing products. Now you're ready for the next step, the Daily Repair Serum. It has two main functions. The first one is to deeply hydrate the skin. The second one is to rejuvenate. It has rose as the main ingredient. You have some sea algae, some sodium hyaluronate. It just feels really wonderful. And finally, you have the Rich Repair Moisturizer. This one is rich in actives and antioxidants. This is the step where you will bring back and maintain balance for your skin and protect it deeply. So 4 easy steps to nourish, balance, and protect your skin in one convenient kit.